Hello, I'm here with my wife Lisa. We're going to be trying this Vermont original beef and pork stick. Right here. Beef and pork stick! You want to go ahead and open that for us, please? I'll look and see if this product is online. If it is, I will link it below. There we go. You want to give it a good bite? How's it smell?
Interesting.
Does it smell spicy?
No.
Okay.
Well, I would like to smell it.
It has a soft texture.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, not bad.
Kind of salty.
Yeah, it has a little pepper on it, just a little bit.
Kind of salty, kind of peppery.
That's good though. Yeah, it's a good mix.
The texture reminds me of a hot dog texture.
Yeah. It's not a chewy one, it's more of a softer one. I prefer those actually,
Yeah.
so.
It's not bad.
Got a good flavor to it. Let me see real quick. See what kind of ingredients are in it. See. Got some sea salt.
Yeah, we can taste the
Sugar,
salt.
spices, mustard seed, culturated celery powder, cherry powder, garlic powder. So it's got quite a mix of stuff in it.
I can maybe taste a little bit of the garlic, maybe.
Oh yeah, definitely has some garlic.
But can't really taste the other stuff other than the salt.
Cherry powder, interesting.
Yeah. But yeah, Vermont original beef and pork stick. Let me know if you've had this product before. And if you have not, are you a fan of meat sticks? Let me know down below. And we will see you in the next review. Bye.